Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a side fan fold shirt that I'm going to ice dye. So to begin, I've folded my shirt in half and I'm using a washable marker and a piece of kite string to draw an arc on the side of my shirt. I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with some kite string. Then I'm going to fan fold the rest of my shirt and tie it up with some kite string as well. Alright, so now my shirt is ready to put the dye on. For this one, I'm going to do an incline dye. So I've taken a piece of plastic guttering that I've cut so that it will fit down inside a tub, and I have one end down in the tub and one end hanging over the edge. For this one, instead of just letting it hang over the edge, I'm going to prop it up onto a wall or a door so that it has a greater incline to it. Then I'm going to put my shirt down in the guttering and I'm going to apply my dye. For this one, I am going to begin with daffodil, followed by orange sorbet, Chinese red, burgundy, then I'm going to add some more Chinese red, and finish with orange sorbet. I'm going to layer on some soda ash and add ice to the top. Because I have a pretty steep incline, sometimes it's a little hard to get the ice to stay on without it wanting to go ahead and fall off. I came back a couple of hours later after all the ice had melted and went ahead and turned my shirt over in the guttering and applied more dye, soda ash, and ice to the other side of the shirt and continued to let it process. Okay, here's what our shirt ended up looking like. I think it ended up looking like a sunrise. If you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. It's really easy, you just have to hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.